Today I am reviewing the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum is a sleek, smart, and ultra-compact cleaning solution designed to make your life easier. One of the first things you'll notice about this vacuum is its slim and compact design. Measuring just 11 inches in diameter and standing only 2.99 inches tall, it easily slides under beds, sofas, and other low furniture. This slim profile allows it to reach areas that are normally hard to clean, ensuring that your home stays spotless without you bending or moving furniture. Cleaning efficiency is at the heart of the M210 Pro. Thanks to its unique suction port design, this robot vacuum doesn't rely solely on traditional brushes. Instead, it uses a large suction opening that captures pet hair, dust, and debris quickly and efficiently. Combined with a removable bottom roller brush, this vacuum keeps hair and dirt from tangling, making it perfect for homes with pets. In fact, the Lefant M210 Pro is designed to get close to 90% cleaning efficiency on floors and low carpets. This robot vacuum is smart and versatile, offering 6 different cleaning modes to suit every situation. You have automatic cleaning for everyday messes, edge cleaning to tackle corners, fixed point cleaning for targeted spots, and manual mode for ultimate control. You can also schedule cleaning so your floors stay tidy even when you're away. Switching between modes is simple, giving you full flexibility depending on your home's needs. When it comes to connectivity, the Lefant M210 Pro really shines. It expands the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth network for faster, more stable connections, making setup easy and reliable. You can control it via the Lefant app, allowing you to monitor cleaning paths, adjust suction levels, switch modes, or schedule cleaning times from your smartphone. For hands-free convenience, it also works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can start cleaning with just a voice command. The vacuum even supports Apple Watch, letting you control it directly from your wrist. The Lefant M210 Pro comes with 3 adjustable suction levels, so you can customize cleaning depending on the type of floor or mess. Low suction is great for delicate floors, medium is perfect for everyday dust, and high suction handles stubborn dirt, crumbs, and pet hair. Its quiet operation ensures that you won't be disturbed while it's cleaning, whether you're working from home, streaming movies, or taking a nap. Another smart feature is self-charging. The Lefant M210 Pro automatically returns to its docking station when the battery is low, so it's always ready to clean without you having to worry about charging it. This, combined with its compact design, powerful suction, versatile modes, and smart controls, makes the M210 Pro a highly efficient and convenient cleaning companion. For anyone who wants a hands-free cleaning solution, especially pet owners or those with busy lifestyles, the Lefant M210 Pro is an ideal choice. It combines cutting-edge technology, thoughtful design, and smart features into a compact robot vacuum that keeps your floors clean effortlessly. Whether it's hardwood, low-pile carpets, or scattered pet hair, this robot vacuum delivers consistent, reliable performance every time. In short, the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum is a compact, quiet, and powerful cleaning solution that simplifies home maintenance. With multiple modes, smart app and voice controls, anti-tangle brushes, and efficient suction, it's designed to save you time and effort, leaving your floors sparkling clean without lifting a finger.